Negation in Potawatomi. Basically, to make a sentence negative, you either add a C to the verb and a cho at the front in the independent form, or a bawa to the front and no cho at the conjunct form. For example, cho namaji si. No, I'm not leaving. Again, cho namaji si. A lot of times we'll kind of flow into that first in with that cho, so we'll say chon maji si. Chon maji si. Another example in the conjunct one would be dawao gum gok nuijia nesja bawa gishpanadoyan dekyak. I'm going to go to the store, but I'm not buying ice cream. Dawao gum gok nuijia, which means I'm going to go to the store. Nesja, but bawa, not gishpanadoyan, I'm buying dekyak ice cream. So I'm going to go to the store, but I'm not buying ice cream. Okay, now when you say cho or no, there's actually some variety of what you can say. You can say cho, just basic cho. Some people say it with more of a J sound, like jo, jo, cho, cho we, and that adds a little more emphasis. That's like no, like a definitive no, cho we, or cho we jana, even a little more intense. That's like a no, cho we jana. And then cho wika means never. And then chomshe means not yet. You kind of flow into that M. Chomshe, not yet. And then chomamda. It's not possible. Chomamda. So again, you have cho, chowi, chowijana, chowika, chomshe, and chomamda. Now for some examples in the independent form. Chonago gagimaji siman. We didn't leave yesterday. Chonago gagimaji siman. We didn't leave yesterday. If you notice, you have a cho at the front and a C that's attached to the verb. Now when you have it in the first and second person, it's just right there at the end, and the third person. But when you get to the we form and the they form, it's inside of the final part that's added to tell you who's doing it. So the men, the G and the men tell you it's we, and it's inside the M. And the next one, which is a they one, the K means they, it's inside of that, and so it's seek. So chowabukwi maji seek. Chowabukwi maji seek. They aren't leaving tomorrow. Chowabukwi maji seek. Chogi bin chigesi. Chogi bin chigesi. He or she didn't clean. Chogi bin chigesi. He or she didn't clean. Chowi nui migadi si. Chowi nui migadi si. I'm not going to fight. Chowi nui migadi si. So that's a little more emphasis. You're like, I'm not going to do it. Chowi. Cho nui guademochke si. Wabuk. Cho nui guademochke si wabuk. I'm not going to go fishing tomorrow. Cho nui guademochke si wabuk. Again, you got to have the cho at the front and the si indicating the negation. You have to have both of them. Cho nui guademochke si wabuk. I'm not going to go fishing tomorrow. Cho wika nui giwe si. Cho wika nui giwe si. I'm never going to go home. Cho wika nui giwe si. Chomshe nabinchige si. Chomshe nabinchige si. No, I'm not going to clean yet. Chomshe means not yet. Nabinchige si. But again, you have the C and the cho that indicates the negative. No, I'm not going to clean yet. So one more time, all those sentences, you can just hear them. Chonago gagimaji siman. Chonago gagimaji siman. Chowabukwi maji seek. Chowabukwi maji seek. Chogi bin chigesi. Chogi bin chigesi. Chowi nui migadi si. Chowi nui migadi si. Chonui guademochgesi wabuk. Chonui guademochgesi wabuk. Chowika nui giwesi. Chowika nui giwesi. Chomshe nabinchigesi. Chomshe nabinchigesi. Now some more examples. Chomshe nagi wisnasiman. No, we haven't ate yet. Chomshe nagi wisnasiman. Again, the cho and the C is there for indicating negative. And again, the C is inside of the men, the we. Chowika nui migadi si. Chowika nui migadi si. I'm never going to dance. Chowika nui nimedi si. Chowika nui nimedi si. I'm never going to dance. The cho and the C. Pay attention to that. Chonbukte si. Chonbukte si. I'm not hungry. Chonbukte si. So you can't just say chonbukte. You have to have that si on there. Chonbukte si. I'm not hungry. Chowabuk nui mikchui si. Chowabuk nui mikchui si. I'm not working tomorrow. Chowabuk nui mikchui si. Chogui giwe si menwabuk. Chogui giwe si menwabuk. No, we aren't going to go home tomorrow. Chogui giwe si menwabuk. Again, the cho is there and the si is inside of right after the verb. Giwe is the verb and it's attached right there to the verb. Chomshe maji sik. They haven't left yet. Chomshe maji sik. Chomshe, not yet. Maji, the verb to leave. Si, indicating a negative, and the K indicating they. Chomshe maji sik. Chomamda nanijo kmosi abda ke mikchuiyan. I can't help, I have to work. Chomamda, I can't. Namikchui si, I can't. And the negation is the si. Abduk, have to. Mikchuiyan, work. So cho abduk nanijo kmosi abduk mikchuiyan. Okay, one more time we'll go through those words and just say the words themselves, the sentences. Chomshe nagi wist nasiman. Chomshe nagi wist nasiman. Chowika nui ni medisi. Chowika nui ni medisi. Chonbaktesi. Chonbaktesi. Chowabak nui mikchuisi. Chowabak nui mikchuisi. Chogui giwe siman wabak. Chogui giwe siman wabak. Chomshe maji sik. Chomshe maji sik. Chomamda nanijok mosi abdak mikchuiyan. Chomamda nanijok mosi abdak mikchuiyan. Okay. Remember, the conjunct is used with who, what, when, where, why questions, and when there's more than one verb in the sentence. The second and additional verbs are in the conjunct. Also, you don't need a cho with the bawa to indicate negation. Dadok mabin anake bawa biayin. Behavior, you aren't coming. Dadok mabin anake bawa biayin. Dadok mabin is telling somebody to behave. Anake, or the bawa indicates the negation or changes the verb into a negative verb. Bia is the verb to come. Yin means you. So behave or you aren't coming. Dadok mabin anake bawa biayin. Wabakwi gamoan bawa guademochkeyak. Wabakwi wikmoan bawa guademochkeyak. It's going to rain tomorrow. We aren't going to go fishing. Wabakwi kmoan bawa guademochkeyak. Tadio gamgok nagijya. Nago mina bawa pagnagayan. Tadio gamgok nagijya nago mina bawa pagnagayan. I went to the casino yesterday and didn't win. Tadio Gumgok Casino Negijia, I did go, Nago, yesterday, Mina, and Bawa, the negation, Paknage, the verb to win, Yan, so I didn't win. Dak Noga Bawajiayan. Dak Noga Bawajiayan. I'm sick, I'm not going. Dak Noga Bawajiayan. So one more time, just going through these sentences again. Dadok Mabin Anake Bawabiayan. Dadok mabin anake bawa biayan. Wabak wikmoan bawa guademochkeyak. Wabak wikmoan bawa guademochkeyak. Tadio gamgok nagijya nago mina bawa pagnagayan. Daknoga bawajiayan. Daknoga bawajiayan. Okay, and that's it for this lesson on negation. Again, it's pretty simple. Just remember cho and si is attached to the verb to indicate no in the independent form, and then just the bawa in the conjunct form. That's it. Yo.